How to add music to Facebook Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can add music to Facebook Reels. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook applications in your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page here, scroll down a bit and there is one section with an option as post photos and reel. So tap on reel. Here tap on create reel. Now from here you can either record a video using the camera options at the top. If not, you can simply choose one video from your gallery. So select one video from your gallery. Once you're done, you will land on your edit page. Now to add audio, tap on this audio option on your right hand side. You will land on this interface. Here tap on add music button and now from this music library, you can search for music using the search bar at the top.
Video on
Or
other
you can simply hit towards one from the suggested one here. If you like to listen to the music, tap on this play icon next to that music. And if you want to add this music, then tap on the music. Now the music has been added. Then you can edit
how to add
further, and once you're done editing, we can post this reel with an added audio. And that's how you can add music to our Facebook Reels, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.